2026 Jaguar F-Type represents the culmination of years of evolution, merging its iconic design with significant technical advancements. This model year focuses on delivering sharper performance, a more immersive digital cockpit, and refined aesthetics, ensuring it remains a benchmark in the grand touring sports car segment. At its core, the F-Type continues to offer a range of compelling engines. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder, providing lively and efficient performance. The definitive experience, however, comes from the supercharged 5.0-liter V8, which sees a power increase, with the top R model now boasting over 575 horsepower. This engine delivers relentless acceleration accompanied by an exhaust note that is both engineered and emotional. Power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission, with the option of rear-wheel drive for purity or an intelligent all-wheel drive system for all-weather confidence and launch capability. The driving dynamics have been meticulously honed. The chassis benefits from revised adaptive dampers and stiffer mounting points, allowing the car to switch seamlessly between comfortable grand touring and agile, track-focused handling. The steering is precise, offering clear feedback, while the braking system, optionally available with carbon ceramic discs, provides immense stopping power. The overall setup is one of balanced poise, making the car engaging on a winding road yet perfectly composed on a long highway cruise. Visually, the 2026 model presents a careful update. The silhouette remains instantly recognizable, characterized by its long hood and fastback profile. The front end features a more pronounced grille and slimmer, fully LED matrix headlights with a new signature pattern. At the rear, revised light clusters and a redesigned bumper enhance the car's wide, planted stance. The design details, from the flush door handles to the new alloy wheel options, emphasize a blend of elegance and aggression. Inside, the cabin undergoes a significant technological leap. The centerpiece is a new curved glass touchscreen housing the latest Pivi Pro infosystem. It is notably faster, more intuitive, and supports over-the-air updates. The fully digital instrument cluster is customizable, projecting essential information directly ahead of the driver. The materials throughout are premium, with options for fine-grained leather, sustainable fabrics, and exquisite metal finishes. The sports seats offer excellent support, and every interaction, from the tactile rotary dial to the configurable ambient lighting, feels special. Technology extends to safety and convenience. The car is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a crisp 360-degree parking camera. The available Meridian surround sound system delivers an exceptional audio experience, making the cabin a sanctuary. In essence, the 2026 Jaguar F-Type is a compelling proposition. It successfully balances raw, thrilling performance with everyday luxury and cutting-edge technology. It is a car designed to stir the senses, offering a deeply engaging drive without compromising on comfort or modern amenities. If you found this overview of the 2026 Jaguar F-Type informative, please subscribe to Auto Buzz Start. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you detailed reviews, the latest news, and in-depth explorations of new cars and automotive technology. Your subscription helps us grow and continue delivering content like this. Thank you for watching.